This is a WordPress tutorial by Mark McLaren of McBuzz Communications called How to Insert an Image in a WordPress Post or Page. And we'll get right to it here. Here is the Business Blogging 101 website. I've got the font pumped up pretty large so you can see. And this post here, insert an image using WordPress is what we're going to use. We want to go and make it look like this with the WordPress logo mark inserted into the post. Okay. So if we go to the dashboard, manage, posts, here's the post I want to edit. Click on edit. And the key to inserting an image is that you've got to upload the image before you can do that. So below the visual text editing window, there is a tab. You can see here, upload, browse, videos, and slideshows. The videos and slideshows, this is a recent addition in WordPress version 2.3, but upload and browse, those are common to many of the latest versions. So make sure you've got upload selected and browse. We're going to go and get the file that we want. Just find it on your computer. Okay. I'm selecting this WordPress logo file. If you're a Macintosh user, you got to be sure that you've got the proper file extension on the end of the file name. It's possible on a Mac to have files without file extensions, but for the purpose of WordPress, you've got to have it on there or it won't recognize the file. Okay, so I'm selecting WordPress logo. Click OK. Okay, that address is now in there. There's the WordPress logo file. I'm going to give the file a title, okay, which is WordPress logo, and then I'm going to add a little more descriptive text. Insert image using WordPress for the sake of search engines and anybody else that's reading the pop-up text that they see when they roll over the image. This is handy. You want to put as much descriptive text into title tags as you can in WordPress. It will be helpful for you in search engine rankings. Okay, click on upload, and then you're shown this little interface. Here's our image, okay, and there's our title that we assigned to it, WordPress logo. Now we can insert it into the post here like so. I'm going to click at the top of my text. I could put this anywhere. If I hit return here twice, I could insert it here. Maybe I'll go ahead and do that. So you'll get a different look. Okay, so I've got a line of text. I hit return. My cursor is sitting there between the two little paragraphs. And now I come back to my WordPress image interface. Under Browse, I've got my image showing here, and I'm going to insert it. It says Show. I can show a thumbnail, full size, or just the title. I'm going to show the image at full size, and I'm going to say link to. Your options here are File, in which case when you click on this image it's going to show you the image itself. Page, okay, in which case it's going to take you to a page on which that image appears. Or None. I'm going to select None, okay, just to be safe here. So I'm not going to have any link on that image. Okay, I'm going to send it to the editor, and there it is. It pops in there. You can see it in the visual editing window now. I can select that file if I want to. Select the image, okay, I'm going to save it right now. Save that post. That's done. Come back out, refresh, see what we've got here. There, alright, it popped right in. There's our post with the image inserted. You can see if I roll over it, I don't get any hand that would allow me to click on that. So we're good. Now, one other thing, if I wanted to assign a URL to that image and make it into a link, I can do that easily. Go back and edit. Okay, there is my image. I click on the image, I go up to the link, insert link button, okay, just like creating a link out of text, except I'm selecting the image. I'm going to click on that insert link button. Okay, now I can put WordPress, whatever I want here. I can copy and paste a URL in, WordPress.org. Okay, I'm going to have it open in a new window since it's going off my site, and I'm going to call this go to WordPress.org. Okay, and I say insert, and now you can kind of, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a blue line around the image. That won't display, but that means that it's been assigned a link. Okay, now I'm going to click on save. When people see images in web pages, they want to click on them. They almost always feel like it should be clickable. That's my experience. And okay, we've finished that. So it's nice to assign it a URL, especially if you're talking about a topic that the image is illustrating. Okay, did we do that? Now I can see my little hand for the cursor. And also I get the pop-up text that says go to WordPress.org. So that was what we had put in as the title for that link. And if I click on there, I will get a new window popping up with the WordPress.org website. Okay, so that is how you insert an image and also make that image into a link in WordPress.